Hello. This is for lazy people like me. So the problem is like every time I create a new project or start a new project, I have to declare the default folders and like material shader. It's gets boring. So I wanted to automate it. So I made a script that can do automatically. So the script is here. Get folders. I will link the script in the video description, and you can modify it however you want. And now I'll show you how it works. If you place it on the editor folders, and so it will give you a menu custom and create different folders. Is want a name, you can use any name you want. I use underscore project. That's because it's always stays up there. And you can see it have already has a lot of folders. Obviously you can delete or modify anything, everything. Okay, so here's the script. Here you can remove, if some, you can make your own folder structure however you want. That's it.